Hello, today we will guide you through how to find CapCut ID. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to look inside the CapCut app so you can find your ID without any confusion. This is a simple process and it should only take a moment once you know where the information is displayed. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded and that you are on the main screen before moving to the next step. If the app opens to a project or another section, just return to the home screen so the layout is easier to follow. Once you're in the app, look toward the top left area of the screen. You'll see your profile account section there. Tap on that profile area to open your account page. This is where CapCut shows personal account details and other profile-related information. After you tap into your profile, direct your attention to the top part of the screen. Your CapCut ID will be displayed there. In most cases, it appears clearly near your profile information, making it easy to identify once you are on the correct page. If you need this ID for account support, sharing account details, or verifying your profile, be sure to copy it carefully and double-check that you're reading the correct number or identifier shown at the top. It's a good idea to avoid sharing your ID publicly unless it's necessary, especially if you're using it for support or account-related requests. If you don't immediately see the ID, give the page a second to load completely and check the upper section of the profile screen again. Sometimes the layout may vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but the ID should still appear in that top area of the profile page. And that's all there is to it. Open the CapCut app, tap your profile account in the top left, and then look at the top of the profile screen where your ID is displayed. Thanks for following along. We hope this helped you quickly find your CapCut ID.